Happy Feast of St. Ignatius of Loyola. July 31 marks the feast of St. Ignatius of Loyola, the founder of the Society of Jesus. This day, you can receive a plenary indulgence. Yes. How? If you see the manual of the indulgences, number 33, visiting the sacred places, point 7 says that if the faithful visit a church or an oratory of institutes of consecrated life and societies of apostolic life on the liturgical memorial of their founder, you will be eligible to receive a plenary indulgence. What you are supposed to do? Yes, our Basilica, it was built by the Jesuits. Jesuits are residing over here. It's a Jesuit church. The same way the Jesuits have the headquarters in Panjim, there are Jesuit churches in all other places in Goa. So any one of the church you can visit. I would prefer to say you come to Basilica and be here. So this is one of their first churches, in Goa. So if you come here, what you are supposed to do? You need to come and recite devoutly one Our Father and one creed. So that is the first condition. Second condition, you need to receive Holy Communion that day. That is the thing. Then third condition, recent confession that you have to do. Then fourth one, not necessarily on that day itself, some day before that, even one day after that, you can do that, the confession. And fourth one is detachment from the venial sin, even a small detachment, in a small attachment to the venial sin, disqualified. But doesn't matter. You try the things, because when we try the things only, we will grow in virtue. So you self-examine yourself whether you are having an attachment to the venial sin or any type of sin. Just examine yourself so that you can make this indulgence in a very pure way. What other requirements are needed? You need to pray for the intentions of the Pope. What prayer you need to do? One Our Father, one Hail Mary, one Glory Be. That is sufficient. That's a minimum prayer. You can do. If you want to do more prayers, you can do that. This is a minimum thing. So in this way, you can devoutly celebrate the feast of Saint Ignatius of Loyola, as well as you can receive a plenary indulgence on this day. May God bless you all. May God be with you, and have a blessed feast of Saint Ignatius of Loyola. Amen.